are beautiful, fearless, they'll never lie to you, they're constant and pure of spirit. For about 1,000 years in this country, falconry has stayed pretty much unchanged. What I practice is almost identical to what was happening 500-600 years ago. Falconry is a wonderful antidote to modern life. We live our entire lives with I want a fix now, and I'll buy it. A relationship with a bird of prey is the complete opposite. It has to be selfless. You have to put the bird of prey first. You have to think about the bird of prey and its needs before your needs. We're not visiting the countryside. I feel very much part of it. Just another animal with my animals as part of that landscape. It is so difficult to bring a bird into the field at exactly the right motivation, exactly the right fitness. So it goes right very rarely. And it is perfect very, very, very rarely. So they are absolutely exactly the same mentally as a bird in the wild and physically as a bird in the wild, but they don't have factor X, and factor X is if you don't catch this, you will starve. Because although they wouldn't consciously know it, they do know that if they miss, you feed them. They will not have that absolute urgency to catch what they chase. And the art of the falconer is to bring them as close to that as he can. There is no pleasure in catching and killing an animal. The pure pleasure is in how difficult it is and how magnificent and unsurpassed watching a bird of prey at full tilt is.